Today we are going to do a conversation. So we have Monica. What's your name?
My name is Monica.
Okay, your name is Monica. So where do you live?
I live in Nariyalgada, Bhopal.
Okay, so do you go to school?
Yes, I go to school.
What is the name of your school?
My school name is Amardeep Higher Secondary School.
How many teachers are there?
There are 50 teachers in my school.
How many students are there?
There are 2,000 students in my school.
Okay. So at what time do you get up?
I get up at 6 am.
Okay, do you take tea?
Yes, I take tea.
Okay, how many times means how many cup do you take tea? Means how many cup do you take in a day?
I take 1 cup of tea in a day.
Okay, do you take biscuit?
Yes, I take biscuit.
Which biscuit do you take?
I take 20 biscuit.
So do you read newspaper?
Yes, I read newspaper.
Okay, so do you use mobile?
Yes, I use mobile.
What is the name of your mobile?
My mobile name is Samsung.
How many songs are there?
There are 50 songs
In your phone.
in my phone.
How many applications are there?
There are 80 applications in my phone.
Okay, so who makes tea in your house?
My mother makes tea in my house.
What does your mother do?
My mother is a homemaker.
Okay, do you know how to cook?
Yes, I know how to cook.
Okay, which food do you like?
I like chole bhature.
You like chole bhature. What are your hobbies? Means what is your hobby?
My hobbies are singing, dancing, listen songs.
Your hobby. Okay, that's a great. So, do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
Okay, so how much coffee do you take in a day?
I take 1 cup of coffee in a day.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a car.
Okay, you have a car. Okay. Your car is old or new?
My car is new.
Your car is new. It means you are a student?
Yes, I am a student.
Okay, so what is your subject?
My subject is arts.
Okay, if I give you chance to eat and to choose anything, what would you like to eat?
I would like to eat.
I'm talking about dish. If I will offer you, you can eat any dish. So what would you like to eat?
I would like to eat chole bhature.
Oh, it means you like chole bhature so much. Okay, that's a great. So I am asking, how many brothers do you have?
I have one brother.
What does he do?
He is a student.
How many days have you completed in the classes?
I completed 3 months.
3 months you have completed. Who teaches you?
Lakhan sir teaches me.
Where does he teach?
He teach very well.
Where does he teach? What is the location of that person where he teaches?
He teaches at his home.
Okay, he teaches at his home. Okay, so which subject do you study there in the coaching?
I study English subject in the coaching.
Okay, you study English. Okay, so do you go by bike or by bus?
I go by bike.
So what is the name of your bike?
My bike name is Pulsar.
Do you like Pulsar?
Yes, I like Pulsar.
Okay, so how many bikes do you have?
I have two bikes.
You have 2 bikes. Okay, but you have one brother, but you are saying that you have 2 bikes. It means your father has another bike and your brother has also a bike. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, so at what time do you go to coaching?
I go to coaching at 5 p.m.
Do you make reel?
I don't make reel.
Do you use Instagram?
Yes, I use Instagram.
Snapchat?
Yes, I use Snapchat.
Do you know how to post?
Yes, I know how to post.
You know how to post. Okay. Do you know how to hide our story?
Yes, I know how to hide.
Okay. So do you know how to write a wonderful note?
Yes, I know.
So do you watch YouTube videos?
Yes, I watch YouTube videos.
Okay, so which video did you watch last time? Recently, which video did you watch?
I watched the episode of Doraemon.
You watched the episode of Doraemon. Okay, it means, do you like cartoons?
Yes, I like cartoons.
Are you a cartoon?
Yes, I am a cartoon.
You are a cartoon. Okay, because guys, as you can see, within 3 months, she is completely speaking in English to English. So, as you can see, I think she is learning. Okay, guys. So, what is the name of your mobile?
My mobile name is Samsung.
Okay, what is the name of your brother?
My brother name is Akshay.
Okay, what's your full name?
My brother name is Akshay Mehra.
Okay, and what's your full name?
My full name is Monica Mehra.
What does your father do?
My father is a driver.
Okay. So what do you do in your free time?
I do in free time.
In free time, do you dance? Do you sing? What do you do in your free time?
I do in free time listen songs.
Okay, in free time you listen song. Am I right? Okay. So which song do you listen?
I listen sad song.
She likes sad song, as you can see, guys. But I don't recommend anyone to watch and to listen the sad song. Okay. So do you have your own house? Do you have your house or do you live on rent?
I live in my house.
It means you have your own house. Am I right? Okay. So do you have a TV?
Yeah, I have a TV, but even they Pavani.
So do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV.
This video is going to be recorded. Okay, so everything will be revealed. Okay, so I think what is the brand name of your TV? What is the name of your TV? Is it XYZ? It means she doesn't know about the name. So guys, as you can see, because I don't have lots of question in my mind, so I can't ask, but I was just